Okay, to get to the dashboard, you need to go to nicholaschristopher.com/WP hyphen login.php. It'll take you to the login page. Your username is Nick, NIC, and your password, you can copy and paste. You should have it saved somewhere that we gave it to you. And then log in, and this will bring you to the dashboard, and this is where you'll be making all of your edits to the site. Okay.
Hey Nick, it's Dave here. I help Sarah develop the theme, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to make a blog post. Here we go. You click on Posts back in your Min panel. Once you're back here, you'll see your posts. Notice the EM tag. That's how you get things in italics. So let's try to actually do that. Let's try to make a blog post. So we're going to do that by clicking Add New. We're going to write in the title. We're going to actually make it italics, which would actually, I guess you'd want the name of the book to be like that. Book. And let's just call this rest of the title. Cool, so that's the title. Now we're going to append some body to it. This is the latest news. And then up here, you'll have options to style this, and you can, bold or make it, italics, or add numbers, quotes, whatever you wish to do. Additionally, you can append an image to the post. So you just click on Set Featured Image, and you'll be importing a file from your computer. Usually works best if it comes from your computer. Let's go back up, and let's just actually make sure it ends up in the blog category. Click on blog, and we're going to preview this before we publish it. Preview, and we should see the title in italics, some of it, and our little snippet. This is the latest news. Name of the book, rest of the book. That's pretty much it. We're done. Obviously, we're not completely done because we need to publish it if we want everybody in the world to see it. But once we do that, we'll be done. Right. Okay, so we just posted a blog post. Now we're going to append a review to the front page. So we go out to Appearance, Widgets. We'll go down to First Footer Widget, and we'll see Reviews. This is actually here on your homepage, and it will only be here. So we open up this drop-down, and we'll see the title Reviews. We'll have some quote here for the icon quotes, and we'll have the review. And you just want to follow this format. So if you want the next quote, you put them to appear on the very top. I suggest just copying and pasting. And appending it right above. And then you just change the name of the reviews. So you could just say, now that they're duplicated, of course, New York Times review, and then we'll just change it a bit because they plagiarized. So that's that. scroll down and make sure everything's good. Then you'll have to save this, of course. Once you save it, it should appear on the front page. So we'll just refresh the page. So now we're back on the front page, and we see the New York Times review and story of history's best disc trumpeter. So notice we have the quote icon here, and the only reason that's there is because of this little piece of code. You will need this. If you do not have it, you will not have a quote. So it's very important that you copy from the div up here to the source of the review. So again, just to prove my point, you can just copy this. You would paste it in again at the very top, and then you would just change it even more. So let's just change it here, dot, and we'll say save it again. We'll refresh this front page, so we should see this change. So remember, we replaced it. We scroll down, and voila, it is changed. So we just updated the homepage reviews, which are actually, the front page is set in settings reading, which can be found here. But what I really want to show you is how to place a review on the book page. So while we're waiting for this to load, and it's up, and let's add a review to the latest book, Tiger Rag. So there's a lot of stuff going on here, but what we want to do is just scroll down to the bottom of the page, and we're going to add a comment. Great. And great. And we'll just want to actually copy this same format down here. So the easiest way to do this is to actually copy the format from a correct post. So we'll go to Quick Edit. We're going to copy everything here. I'm going to cancel, obviously, because we like the comment. And I'm going to paste it right in here. And we're just going to change some things like we did in the previous video. It's not going to be grammatically correct, but it's going to be a different review. And then we're just going to add the comment. This might take some time. And there it is. Now we can just update our posts. You might not need to do this, but it's always a good idea. We'll just update it. And we'll go to review book, and we should see our post there. Here's Tyvrag. And reviews. And there it is at the very bottom.